White gold is a product of golden hands. The saying by national leader Heydar Aliyev demonstrates how cotton production is laborious and valuable at the same time. This saying also underlines that the tradition of cotton farming requires professionalism and mastery. The tradition of cotton growing in Azerbaijan has an ancient history. Currently, MKT Cotton is successfully proceeding this tradition in Azerbaijan. An enterprise with more than 25 years of experience has many important achievements so far. The experience and hard work of these years allowed the company to make significant progress in the non-oil sector. Being equipped with more than 6,000 units of modern world-standard equipment and appliances, the company harvests more than 50% of the raw cotton in Azerbaijan every year. MKT Cotton has 10 cotton primary processing plants, 7 cotton receiving points, 6 innovation farms, 2 textile factories, and cotton oil refinery plant are operating in 18 districts across the country. The road to success is going through the continuous improvement of production. That's why MKT Cotton started the process of reconstruction of its factories starting from 2018. In 2018, the factories in Barda and Beylagan, and in 2019 in Azerbaijani and Imishli regions were reconstructed and restored for the optimal time and quality processing of cotton. Modern equipment which meets the latest technologies was installed in those factories. Through this equipment, cotton can be effectively cleaned, dried, and process of separation from seed and pressing are carried out. The daily production capacity of the new plants has been tripled from 60 to 180 tons. The Shirvan oil processing plant, equipped with modern equipment, produces refined cottonseed oil, seed pulp and seed husk. Reconstruction works were carried out at the plant in 2019, and the production capacity was increased 4 times from 120 tons to 500 tons per day. In order to support this production capacity, a new 10,000 square meter closed warehouse was commissioned in the factory area. MKT Cotton exports most of its products to various countries of the world. Our company, which increases its export revenues year by year, is ranked in the top 3 in the ranking of non-state exporters in the non-oil sector. It should be mentioned that MKT Cotton has been a member of the Liverpool Cotton Association since 2003. 3,500 permanent employees work in the company, which entrusts its work to professionals. It should be noted that during the cotton harvesting season, the number of employees exceeds 5,000 people. MKT Cotton works non-stop to meet the high quality of products as well as to deliver those products to customers on time. The leading motto of the company is the increase of the country's export potential, modernization, meeting the technical indicators on a global scale. We work for our country. We introduce Azerbaijan's white gold to the world.